Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from Payactiv card to Cash App. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that we have to do here is we want to connect our Payactiv card into Cash App. Now, first thing is you have to open up your Cash App mobile application, and in the home screen, you should look for the profile icon, which is located at the top right. Now from there, you'll see the option that says Link Banks, and under Link Banks, you'll see the option that's Link Bank. Now you also have the option that says Link Card, so use the option that says Link Card. Now from there, you just need to follow the prompts that will appear in the screen and enter the following details that they are currently needing. So that includes the card number, CVV, as well as the expiration date. Now, once you've connected your Payactiv card into Cash App, the next thing that we want to do is to cash in. Now, to cash in, the first thing you want to do is go back to the home screen for Cash App and click on the Money tab option. Now, from there, you'll see the option that says Add Cash, and just from there, just enter the amount that you want to cash in. Now, once you're satisfied, just click on the add button that you see on your screen, and from there, you just need to enter your PIN or use your Touch ID to confirm the transaction. Now, once you've done that, you'll be able to transfer money from Payactiv to Cash App, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.